Wow, continuance accidentally turned you off. I'm here with a lifeline, a rope, safety harness. Get all this at Walmart, guys. It's pretty cheap. Ain't no excuse. Climbing down. Need a grow pole for this stuff. Climbing knot down. You can tell these are homemade ladder sticks. I've fabricated for a long time, so I trust them. Slide it down. I don't like that squeegee stuff at the bottom. Down. At the bottom of my tree, there's my stand. Here's my lifeline. Simple Prusik knot. It slides up and down, but when you give it a good, it stops you. I like hunting, but I like going home a lot better.